Welcome to my case study circle channel. In this video, we shall see how to create a part model and also prepare the draft for the same using the Solid Edge 2023 version. So we need to create the 3D model of the part that is shown below and also generate its principal views in the first angle projection. So this is the part that we are going to create first using the part modeling of Solid Edge 2023 and then create the draft of the same. So now I'll just move the cursor over the XZ plane and the lock symbol indicates that the plane is locked and we can start with the drawing. So the height is 70 mm and it is having a length of 100 mm. So let me complete the rectangle first. 70. So now I'll fit this to the screen so that it is visible. And now let me go to the smart dimension. So it is having a height of 70 and a length of 100. So now I have to create one more rectangle for the web that is having 20 mm. So I'll create, or I'll just for reference I'll create 20 mm line, and that should be till a height of 55 mm, followed by the total width of the cutout is 60, and then let me complete this profile and ensure the line is exactly plus 90 degrees. I'll go for the trim option. I'll trim this, and there are two more lines that is to be trimmed, and now this part is ready. So now we have to extrude this part to a distance of 90 mm as per the drawing. So I'll go for select and select this, and just by pressing the scroll button of the mouse I'll be able to rotate, and let me extrude this to a total distance of 90 mm. I'll click on fit again. So you can see that the part is ready. So this is the front view of the part. So you can just see this. So let me show the dimensions. So this is 20, a web of 20 mm on both the sides, and the height is 55. So this is well understood that it is 100. So this is 20 and 20 means this shall be 60 mm. So 60 plus 20, 80 plus 20 is 100. And now it has also been extruded to a distance of 90 mm. So this is the front view. But on the top of this rectangular web, there is also a cylinder of height 25 mm and a diameter of 72. So to create that, I'll select the top plane, and now I'm going to draw the circle. And to draw that circle, I'm going to take the center point of this particular rectangle as the reference and just move the cursor and also mark the center of this. So I'm getting the center here. So let me draw a circle of any arbitrary diameter. I'll go to the smart dimension, measure what is the diameter. So the diameter is 72. So you can just still see that it is not exactly at the center. So let me select the top view, go for distance between. So I'll select the circle, center point of the circle, and also the center point of this, so which is exactly 45. Again I'll select center, move the cursor over the circle so that the center point is highlighted, and then select the center point of this particular rectangle. So you can just move the cursor here, So you can just see that it is not exactly 50. So I'll enter 50. So now the circle is exactly at the center of this particular rectangle, that is 90 cross 100. So this is the top view. So now let me select this particular circle and extrude this circle to a distance of 25 mm and press enter. So this is the top view of the web. And now I'll be generating the front view. So this is the front view. So this is the completed part. So you can just see that it is having a dimension of 55 cross 60 here, and web on both the sides of 20 mm thickness, and the total extruded length is 90 mm. Over that there is a circle of diameter 72 to a height of 25 mm. So this completes the generation of the part diagram. So this is the isometric view of the particular part. So now let me save this. Clicking on the save icon, I'll enter it as exercise 03. Click on save. Now to create the draft of this particular part, I'll go for new, select isometric draft. I'll right click on sheet 1, select sheet setup, select A4, untick show background, click on save defaults, click OK, and let me fit the sheet to the screen. So I'll click on view wizard and select exercise 03, click open. So I can go for the drawing view layout. So let me select front view here, click OK. So I'm getting the front view, I'm getting the corresponding top view, and this is the corresponding side view of the part. So now I'll go to the sketching window, select the line option, and then select the thickness of the line to be 0.18 for drawing the XY line. So I'll draw the XY line here and draw the profile plane, that is X1, Y1. So from the point of intersection, let me draw the 45-degree line to generate the side view. So for time being, I'll just switch off the midpoint. So now I got the minus 45-degree line. So I'll just fit and then draw this particular line. So I have to draw the projector lines. This is just to show like how the views will be generated. So the projector line from this edges. So since this web is not visible, it is shown in the dotted line in the top view. But however, this is the outer edge and this is visible in the top view. And now I'll generate the projector line. See, it is going to intersect exactly with the circle. So now what I'll do is, so from here, I'll just intersect this 45-degree line. So now what I'll do is, I'll select this view and then select the move option, ensure the copy is off. And then I will move this particular part and just slide it so that it is intersecting with the projection line, so that I'm getting the side view as per the standard procedure. You can just read this. You can use the extend to next. So this is how the side view will be generated systematically. But however, since you have already generated the side view automatically from the part diagram, you can just rearrange by using this particular technique to align your views, that is the top and the front views. So let me change the font size to the Times New Roman font. So this is the profile plane x1, y1, and this is the xy line. So I can name the views. So this is the front view, this is the top view, and this is the left side view on the right profile plane. Avoid keeping the annotations inside the part diagram. It is not a good practice to have the part labels or the reference planes named inside the part. So you can just show the dimensions here. So this is dimension of 70 mm, the extruded length of 90 mm, correct? So here you can show the height of the cylinder, the radius of the cylinder, and then the width of the web. So the width of the web on either sides, and this distance also can be shown. So go for distance between. So this is the thickness of the web in this direction. So again go for the smart dimension. So this is the total length of the part. So with this we have completed the necessary dimensioning of the draft that is created out of the part. So with this we complete the part modeling and also the draft preparation of the concerned part. Thank you all for watching.